Camping staples often face the common problem of getting wet, which poses a threat to the safety of your gear through exposure to water or moisture. CellVault addresses this problem, ensuring your essentials stay dry and in good condition, even in challenging conditions. Therm, a reputable emergency accessory provider, offers this product and offers items such as medications, bandages, and batteries. The military services call its container CellVault. It is compatible with the M attachment system. The container can hold 2 or 4 AAA batteries and is specially designed to withstand dust and water, making it a reliable choice. CellVault is available for purchase for $20. Can you imagine selling a shovel for $230? Well, the Zune Lotoo Smilodon shovel is designed to take on tough outdoor challenges. Whether you are on a camping trip to survival situations, this versatile tool will fully meet your needs. In addition to its basic function as a shovel, it can also be useful as a saw, glass cutter, hammer, hook, axe, knife, and even a camera tripod. And this is just a small part of the many uses it can do. The capabilities of the shovel depend solely on the creativity of its owner, and what is striking is that its weight remains light at no more than 1.4 kilograms, which is noted by the manufacturer. Survival offers a compact splint that you can carry with you during your travels to ensure you stay in place and protect the injured body part. The outside of the model is made of foam, while the frame is made of aluminum alloy according to the manufacturer's final version and does not require removal for X-rays, as well as being reusable and waterproof. If you are not experienced with using splints, the splint has a clear, easy-to-understand guide printed on its outer surface. The splint measures 36 x 4.4 inches, making it easy to cut to fit any shape. They are used effectively to stabilize the affected area, while at the same time maintaining sufficient rigidity to provide support to the injured person, according to the manufacturer's recommendations. It can also be used as a shovel in some cases. The suggested price is $12. If you're an avid hiker, camper, or love spending time in the great outdoors, the Venom Gaiter V2 is not your average gaiter. It's a game changer for outdoor gear. Manufactured using high-quality, strong military spec materials with a combination of innovative laces and buttons. The Venom Gaiter V2 comes with a sleek, ergonomic design, but also provides superior protection against debris, rocks, and even snake bites. Investing $190 in a pair of these Jags is a wise choice if you plan to venture into the wilderness. One of the most versatile fire starters on the planet, manufacturers like to emphasize that they note that the material is so easily ignited that even a light spark from an empty lighter is enough to ignite it. It will continue to burn long enough to form mosswood chips, and other materials catch fire without any problems. The model is 6 inches long and weighs about 3 ounces. Each stick can be used about 50 times. The soft texture of the material makes it easy to cut. The outer shell is non-toxic and burns just as well. The fire stick is well designed for use in all seasons and all conditions. Weather conditions, including rain, snow, and strong winds. It will also withstand immersion in water, and the bright color allows you to quickly find it in your backpack, making it convenient for camping. The price of one piece is $8. The Omniblade Machete Multi-Tool is not just an ordinary blade. It's a compact powerhouse designed for many tasks. Its elegant design and compact sheath can meet your needs in many areas. It combines different functions in one design, from an axe and a hammer to a knife and a saw. Adding to this versatile performance is the use of 420J2 steel in its manufacture, making it able to withstand a variety of conditions. This machete can easily be sharpened in the field using stones, enhancing its durability and effectiveness over time. Pure 2 Go is an advanced water filtration solution designed for adventurers. travelers and outdoor enthusiasts. Access to clean water is crucial to your health and well-being. Water One has been delivering bottled water to customers for over 50 years, so they have a lot of experience in water purification. Keep in mind that this filter from the same company is available to everyone for $33. It can not only handle bacteria, viruses, and parasites, but also reducing the radioactivity of water. This ensures that you can drink water from rivers, lakes, etc. with confidence. Wicked Laser's FlashTorch isn't just an ordinary flashlight, it's a high-powered torch with exceptional illumination. This device features an extremely high level of brightness, with a power of 4,100 lumens, which allows it to effectively illuminate dark places. Additionally, it can do impressive things like start fire, heat water, and even melt metal. However, there are some points to consider before purchasing. For example, the limitation lies in its duration of use, as the lamp only lasts for 15 minutes in its strongest mode on a single charge, and only 100 hours in normal use mode. It also has a heavy weight of about 1 kilogram, and its price reaches $400, which makes it not suitable for everyone, as well as a utility piece in emergency situations. The perfect accompaniment for camping trips, the BRS-99 comes as a compact and lightweight stove, making it incredibly easy to carry on all your adventures. The device weighs just 6 kilograms and relies on butane as a fuel source, and when folded, it becomes almost as compact as a thermos. It has clever supports that accommodate cookware with a diameter between 10 and 26 centimeters, preventing excessive pressure. The stove features a magnetic valve, as well as non-slip inserts in its legs, ensuring stability during use. To complete the cooking experience, you can get the stove with a dedicated storage bag for $130. Zippo 4-in-1 Woodsman. It is a multifunctional power tool designed to make your outdoor adventures much easier. Equipped with a hammer saw and hook, this axe is 450 millimeters long with a 127 millimeter blade and 381 millimeter saw blade thanks to the polymer handle, weighs less than 2 kilograms, and the Zippo really gives you the versatility you need in the great outdoors. Plus, its price is more modest compared to many lighters at $90. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you on the next ride.